The first successor to the International Space Station is on the horizon. VAST is making impressive strides toward establishing a permanent presence in space. Recently, the project garnered significant attention from renowned astronaut and space expert Chris Hadfield, further highlighting its promising future. So how is the VAST space station advancing? Let's explore the latest developments in today's episode of Great SpaceX. In our last update, we reported that the first module of the VAST space station, Haven 1, had successfully undergone testing at the integrated platform at the Mojave test site. Those early results were promising, and since then, development has continued to move forward at a steady pace. One of the most notable recent milestones came with a visit from world-renowned astronaut and space expert Chris Hadfield. The visit took place at VAST's headquarters in Long Beach, California, where Hadfield was invited to get an up-close look at Haven 1's latest hardware and provide valuable insights drawn from his time aboard the International Space Station. Images from the visit show Hadfield standing beside a model of Haven 1, inspecting the domed window pressure pane system and reviewing the station's hatch pressure plate system. Following the tour, Hadfield shared his impressions on X, writing, "Great to visit a new commercial space station under construction." He also revealed an exciting update, first launch of VAST Haven 1 station, planned in 13 months. That timeline aligns with VAST's previously stated roadmap and places the target launch around May of 2026. Hadfield's positive remarks carry significant weight. His experience aboard the ISS brings not only credibility to VAST's progress, but also practical guidance that can directly inform the design and operation of Haven 1. A visit of this nature suggests strong confidence in VAST's capabilities and highlights the growing momentum behind the commercial space station effort. Beyond the expert visit, VAST has continued to share progress on Haven 1's development. A newly released video offered a virtual walkthrough of the full-scale Haven 1 model, showcasing the station's key features, including the hatch system, cargo storage areas, crew quarters, payload laboratory, and its signature domed observation window. The simulation gives a realistic preview of life aboard the station and serves as a critical tool for refining design and functionality ahead of launch. To support these efforts, VAST confirmed that preparations for the Haven demo mission are now underway. In their latest update, the company stated Haven demo integration is underway as we prepare for on-orbit testing of Haven 1's core systems later this year. The satellite's testing will include power, communications, propulsion, video, thermal control, software, avionics, ground systems, attitude control, and mission operations. In parallel, testing of individual systems continues. Back in February, VAST reported that validation of Haven 1's trace contaminant control system was in progress at NASA Marshall. This system is essential for maintaining clean air aboard the station, and the company emphasized its importance in ensuring astronaut health. Accompanying images revealed a complex network of pipes and machinery designed to remove toxic pollutants introduced by both crew and onboard equipment. VAST continues to make impressive strides in the development of Haven 1, the first module of its commercial space station, with a series of recent updates highlighting major technical progress across multiple systems. One of the most critical components recently tested is the Haven 1 hatch system. VAST shared the flight design pressure plate of the Haven 1 hatch is now ready for inspection. This pressure plate appears as a segmented steel structure engineered with intricate detailing to withstand the extreme demands of space. When installed, the hatch will serve as the crew's primary entry point and includes redundant pressure seals, a window, and built-in shielding. This shielding is essential for protecting the station against micrometeoroids and orbital debris, common hazards in low Earth orbit. Another significant milestone is the structural advancement of the station itself. VAST announced that welding of the main structure is underway, with images showing a large ring segment being lifted by automated machinery for processing and assembly. According to the company, the first barrel of Haven 1 has been rolled and welded, bringing the station another step closer to flight. This step marks a major achievement in preparation for the module's anticipated launch in 2026. In support of its vertically integrated manufacturing approach, VAST has also begun machining Haven 1's flight panels in-house. Shared images reveal highly advanced machinery shaping the spacecraft's precision components. Vertical integration gives VAST full control over production, allowing for rapid iteration and efficient optimization. The company noted that this streamlined approach is accelerating its mission to make space more accessible by enhancing both speed and quality in production. Power generation is another essential area where VAST has made headway. The team recently conducted a full deployment test of Haven Demo's solar array system in a flight-like configuration. VAST stated, "We tested and deployed the solar array of Haven Demo in a flight-like configuration to ensure there were no motion restrictions or configuration issues during deployment." The footage captured by onboard cameras shows the arrays unfolding from their mounted supports, simulating the deployment that will occur in orbit. These arrays are critical to supplying electrical power to the module once it reaches space. Thermal regulation is also being addressed. VAST has revealed the first batch of cold plates, key components in the thermal control system. These plates transfer heat from avionics and onboard equipment into a thermal control fluid, helping to maintain safe internal temperatures for both crew and hardware. Looking ahead, VAST has secured a partnership with NASA's Glenn Research Center for the final environmental testing phase. Testing will take place at the Neil Armstrong Test Facility in early 2026. The campaign will include evaluations for acoustics, vibration, electromagnetic interference, and thermal vacuum performance, validating the station's readiness under space-like conditions. A recently released image of the thermal vacuum chamber, or TVAC, at Glenn underscores the scale and importance of these trials. According to VAST's updated development timeline, the team plans to continue manufacturing and testing Haven 1's primary structure, integrating its various subsystems and conducting full system checkouts throughout 2025 and into early 2026. Each step forward, whether it's structural welding, system integration, or external testing, brings Haven 1 closer to becoming a functioning orbital habitat. As the first commercial successor to the ISS, the progress being made is not only promising, but historic. The steady progress surrounding VAST's first space station module, Haven 1, continues to solidify its position as a frontrunner in the emerging era of commercial space infrastructure. These developments not only demonstrate technical maturity but also highlight VAST's growing relevance in the broader context of post-ISS space station solutions. It's important to remember that Haven 1 is on track to becoming the first commercial space station module ever launched. This achievement would carry enormous symbolic and strategic weight, especially as the International Space Station nears its planned retirement later this decade. The successful deployment of Haven 1 could mark a pivotal moment in ensuring uninterrupted U.S. human presence in low Earth orbit, an essential factor for scientific leadership, geopolitical influence, and industry continuity. In contrast to other private station concepts still in early development stages or plagued by unclear timelines, VAST's concrete progress helps ease the anxiety surrounding the transition from the ISS. This urgency is heightened by the rapid expansion of China's Tiangong space station, which has already demonstrated modular expansion and consistent crewed operations. As international competition heats up, VAST's position as a launch-ready solution offers a valuable advantage in preserving U.S. dominance in orbital capabilities. Securing that first-to-orbit title would also greatly benefit VAST in the commercial landscape. Early success will translate into increased credibility, which is vital for attracting strategic partnerships, especially with NASA. While VAST is not currently one of the 4 companies selected under NASA's Commercial Low Earth Orbit Destinations initiative, the deployment of Haven 1 serves as a compelling audition for potential inclusion in Phase 2 of the CLD program. If selected, VAST plans to scale up with Haven 2, a larger module that will form part of a cross-shaped station structure. This modular expansion strategy is designed for long-term growth and sustained operations. But speed isn't the only asset VAST is showcasing. The internal quality of Haven 1 is just as noteworthy. Although compact in comparison to the ISS, the module is engineered to maximize livability and functionality through cutting-edge design. Integrated technologies will optimize life support systems, storage, research spaces, and even crew comfort. The goal is to create not just a laboratory in space, but a livable, modern habitat, a place astronauts can truly call a home away from home. Perhaps one of the most exciting technological integrations is VAST's plan to equip the station with Starlink, SpaceX's advanced satellite internet constellation. Starlink's real-world performance has already proven invaluable on Earth, including during natural disasters and in remote regions. In space, it has supported ambitious missions like Polaris Dawn and the Fram 2 campaign. By using Starlink, VAST will ensure high bandwidth, low latency communications, enhancing everything from data transmission to real-time analysis and operational control. VAST's partnership with SpaceX goes far beyond Starlink. SpaceX will serve as the launch provider for Haven 1 and Haven 2, most likely using Falcon 9 or Falcon Heavy, while the station's future central hub may ride aboard Starship. Additionally, SpaceX's Dragon spacecraft will support both uncrewed logistics missions and future crewed operations. According to VAST's current timeline, Haven 1 could launch as early as May or June of 2026, followed shortly thereafter by a 2-week crewed mission with 4 astronauts aboard Dragon in late June. To support these missions, SpaceX and VAST are working together to adapt key technical systems. These updates will accommodate orbital maneuvers, cargo transfer, and other mission-critical functions. While specific redesigns have not yet been disclosed, the flexibility of Dragon, already a proven, versatile vehicle, ensures a smooth integration process. With Haven 1, VAST is poised not only to take the lead among private station efforts, but to help define what comes next for humanity's presence in space. A bright future is clearly unfolding for the VAST space station. Through the dedicated efforts of the VAST team, progress continues steadily toward creating a worthy successor to the International Space Station. More than just following in the footsteps of the ISS, VAST is positioning itself as a highly competitive and capable player in the next era of human spaceflight. Yet the road ahead remains crucial. The next year will be filled with intensive preparation as the team works to ensure that every system, structure, and protocol is ready for launch. This phase will be vital, not only to meet technical goals, but also to build confidence among potential partners and stakeholders. The countdown to liftoff has begun. The question is, are you ready for what comes next? This has been Kevin with Great SpaceX. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe if you haven't already to stay up to date with yours truly in the latest details of SpaceX's progress. Thank you so much for tuning in, and remember, curiosity, imagination, and inspiration will always follow you as long as you keep looking up.